Are you tired of putting your dreams on hold because of the high cost of education? Do you want to learn new skills and advance your career but don't have the time or resources to enroll in traditional courses? If so, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are a solution that can help you achieve your goals and learn whatever you want for free or without breaking the bank. And this solution is called Coursera. With Coursera, you can access thousands of free courses and specializations from top universities and organizations around the world, all from the comfort of your own home. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and start learning today? Let's get started, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, let's talk about what Coursera is. Coursera is an online learning platform that offers courses in a variety of subjects, including computer science, engineering, mathematics, social science, business, humanities, and more. Each course is taught by a qualified instructor and includes video lectures, reading, quizzes, assignments, and discussions. And every course on Coursera offers certification of completion. In addition to individual courses, Coursera also offers specializations, which are a series of courses that allows learners to gain in-depth knowledge and expertise in a particular field. They also offer degrees and professional certificate in a partnership with top universities and organizations. So to get started, you can go to Coursera website and create an account by clicking on the join for free button. Once you have created an account, you can search for free courses by clicking on the courses tab and then selecting free courses from the drop down menu. Browse through the available courses and select the one you are interested in taking. Click on the course title to go to the course page, where you can find more information about the course, including the syllabus, course materials, and instructor. Click on the enroll for free button to enroll in the course. Once you have enrolled in the course, you will have access to all the course material, including video lectures, readings, quizzes, and assignments. Note that while many courses on Coursera are free to enroll in, some courses may require a fee to access certain features, such as graded assignment or certification of completion. But don't worry, if you want to get all Coursera courses for free with certifications, just watch this video till the end. Coursera offers many options to enroll in any course. The first option is audit a course. Auditing a course means that you can access all the course materials, including videos, readings, and quizzes for free, but you won't be able to submit assignment or receive a certificate. So to edit a course, simply select the audit option where enrolling in a course. The second option is, and the most important one, to get the course and certification for free, is financial aid. Coursera offers financial aid to learners who cannot afford to pay the course fee. To apply for financial aid, you will need to complete short application form and provide information about your income and financial situation. If your application is approved, you will be able to enroll in the course for free. I will tell you more details about financial aid in the end of this video. I highly recommend you to check out Coursera's partnerships with organizations. Coursera has partnerships with many organizations that offer free courses to learners. For example, Coursera has partnered with Google to offer a range of free courses on topics such as digital marketing, project management, and IT support. You can browse these courses by select Google from the partner content drop-down menu on Coursera homepage. And it's important to know that Coursera offers, the first is individual courses earlier in this video. The second kind is specializations, which are series of courses that are designed to help you master a particular topic or skill. Specialization typically consists of 4 to 6 courses, and they often include a capstone project that allows you to apply what you have learned. The third kind of courses is guided projects, and in this kind of courses you can apply immediately what you are learning. Now let's talk more about financial aid. Financial aid is available for most courses in Coursera, and to apply for a financial aid, you will need to complete a short application form and provide information about your income and financial situation. The application process is simple and can be completed online. And to get the financial aid of any course of Coursera, just choose whatever course you want to enroll in, and on the page of enrolling, just search for financial aid available. After you clicked on this button, this message will pop up. Just click on continue to the application and simply answer these simple questions. Like, what is your highest level of education? What's your annual income? What's your employment status? And the most important question to answer carefully is why you are applying for financial aid, and you have to write 150 words at minimum. After you've done this, click on next. Then you will have to answer this question: how much can you pay for your selected course? Just enter any number, and don't worry, you will not paying anything. The last step is answer this question carefully: how will your selected course help you with your goals? The last step is type the following sentence, which is I agree to the terms above. You can simply copy it and paste it here, then click on I'm not a robot and click on review. Then submit application. As you see here, they have received your application, and we will let you know the outcome of your application through email. They typically respond after 2 weeks maximum. And if you are ready to start learning right away, you can audit the course to preview the course materials for free. Just click here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye.